Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz S550 and how to remove the front door panel. So I'm going to be removing my front passenger door panel, and to do that is pretty quick and easy, and we're going to start off by removing this panel. Next, remove the upper speaker cover. Now that that's out, we're going to remove the bottom screw. And the bottom screw is located right underneath near the speaker grill. It's a T30. And the last screw is underneath this compartment. You open it, and there's a small cutout right there. So slide up the cover. And now that we have everything out of the way, we're going to start prying the door. We're going to start off by the bottom corner and gently start prying it out. There's some clips all the way around, so please do this slowly and gently, as we don't want to break those clips behind when we're going to be reinstalling. You're basically going to lift up the door panel. Just like that, it's going to be released. And here's why we're lifting it, because there's a tabbing right here from the door that hooks on into this metal area. And now, before completely removing the door, we're going to unplug. And the third one also has a small tab underneath it. We're going to hold it and pull it right out. And now the door panel is completely removable. And there you have it. That's how easy and simple it is to remove the front door panel on your Mercedes-Benz W221 S550. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video helped you guys out, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.